how to contact JoyaGoo customer support. So I'm going to walk you through on how to access the customer support here. So let's get into the video. So if you go to JoyaGoo, you can log into your JoyaGoo account. I would advise you to log into your account because it's much easier to identify your orders if you're logged into your account. Okay, so log into your account, and then what we're going to do, if you want to if you have any questions or you want to contact the customer support for any particular order, what you can do, once you're logged in, you will see on your left side, on your right hand side here, there will be quick menus here. You can click on this customer support option here, the second icon here. Click on it. This will open up the live chat option here, so you can simply select what is your inquiry or question about. Why do you want to contact the customer support, whether it's a pre-sales inquiry about order or payment. So you can just select that. Okay, you can select that, and this will connect you to a live agent where you can chat with them. If we can chat with them and then sort out your issues. That's one way of doing it. Another way, if you want to, or you can, if you still want to, if you don't like the live chat, then if you scroll all the way down, you will see this contact us option. If you click on the contact us option here, you will find the email address which you can reach out to, and sometimes depending on the region, you will also see the phone number which you can reach out to. And this is the other way of an alternative way you can reach out to them. But I would suggest the best way is through live chat, which is very easy and straightforward, and it is much quicker. So you click on the chat, and then you can do that to contact the customer support team. And basically that's pretty much it is. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you in a new video. Thank you.